Okay, this is a short tutorial on my method of parenting eyelashes, custom eyelashes from that if you port it from other models. So in this particular case, I am porting the Warcraft Tyrindale eyelashes. So the way I do these eyelashes currently is first go to this transfer utility, select the Genesis 8 female eyelash for your source, then at your target is the your custom eyelash. Okay, so item shape current options, these three are picked. I'm not sure if it does anything, but it seems to fit better this way. Okay, then fit to source figure and parent to source figure, uncheck these two. Okay, then accept. They will actually transfer the eyelashes rigging over to the your Genesis 8 eyelashes rigging over to your custom eyelashes rig. Okay, so next is transfer utility again. This time select the Genesis 8 figure. Okay, then you select your eyelashes, current, both are current. Okay, because the reason, right, is because current now your target has a rig. Previously it does not have a rig, so it doesn't matter, but now it has a rig, so you put it to current. Okay, show options, uncheck everything here, and then check reverse shape, source shape. Then if you want it to have a smoothing modifier, you can check this. If not, leave it alone. Okay, then hit accept, and the shape and the eyelashes should fit to your Genesis 8. Okay, then the other thing you can do is to go to the Morph Loader Pro and then throw in the morph that you use. Throw in the original eyelashes, the model of the eyelashes that you use as a morph. Okay, and then when you go to this, when you dial in this morph, it will fit better. Next is general and smoothing weight 0.8. Okay, so now you have something that fits to the Genesis 8 face relatively well. So if you go to the poses, you can close the eyes and all that, and the and your custom eyelashes should follow this the shape of your eyes. So yeah, that's how I do it. It seems to work for me, and I'm fairly sure I did something wrong, and you know, the official method is something else, but this seems to work for me. And similar to many of you, I cannot find a official tutorial on how to do it properly. So this method is the best way that I came out with, or rather I trial and error it out, and it seems to work well enough. So hope this will be useful for you. Thanks for watching, and yeah, bye bye.